Hi guys, this is Hope from juniperhollow.net. I wanted to do this quick tutorial just to show you how to log into your account and to make any further doTERRA purchases that you desire. I'm also going to share with you how to save even more money with certain products. So you definitely want to stick around for these tips if you love your doTERRA products but you'd like to save even more than the 25% off that you are saving currently. Logging in is simple. Go to doTERRA.com. Once you're there, you'll see this screen and click on the person icon in the right-hand corner to log into your personal account. To log in, you will need your email address or your doTERRA ID number and your password for your account. If you have lost this, then just simply reach out to doTERRA, call their number, and they will help you out. So this is where doTERRA has their monthly specials. You'll notice that it's 10% off cedar wood this month. They always have a 10% off product, and it varies from month to month. They also always have a free product that they give away to all orders that are loyalty reward orders, and they're placed before the 15th at 125 PV. So lots of goodies that you can get through doTERRA. Be sure to check in month by month to see what specials they have and what great deals you can maybe snag up that month. You'll notice right below that banner with the monthly specials that there's a purple one that says your loyalty orders. This is for those of us who already have a loyalty order cart set up. So you can always update that cart simply by clicking the update products. If you don't already have a loyalty rewards cart created, or if this is your first time logging into your account, you may want to click on the create a loyalty rewards order. The button should be found right around here where I've circled, and that will get you started. If you don't wish to have a loyalty rewards cart, that's totally okay. You won't get the points that the loyalty rewards cart allows you to have, but you can always go to this create new one-time order and you can purchase that way. If you're editing your loyalty rewards order, you'll notice that once you're in the cart, it'll say this order qualifies to earn loyalty rewards points, and that's just the difference between a one-time order and a loyalty rewards order. With the loyalty rewards order, of course, it's a subscription that you can opt out of at any point, but you do have a scheduled date, and right here where I've circled, this is where you control that scheduled date. So if you need to make any edits to that, this is how you would do that. Your remaining rewards points are located here. Feel free to use these whenever you desire on basically redeeming free products. Just remember, they do expire after 1 year of accruing, so you do not want to sit on them, for too long. And there is a small redemption fee for the packaging of your free products. It's $3, so I typically save up and do at least $100 worth of points at a time. If you want to add anything to your cart, use this quick add by item or name search. It's great at pulling up the items you need without wasting much time looking for them. So you'll notice in your cart that each product has a dollar amount and PV amount given it. Now with some products, these are not always equal, so you'll want to pay attention to that. Your point system is based off of PV amount, not dollar amount, so higher PV, more points you earn back. This is where you can change the quantity if you want to up it. This is where you can use your points to redeem products. Now, if you don't have enough points to cover a product, or if the product is unavailable for use on redeeming points, you'll not have the option to even use your points here. The trash can icon is, of course, how you remove an item from your cart. Here's a tip when it comes to redeeming your points. Look to redeem the products that have lower PV amount to the dollar amount. So right here, the introductory kit, that is a perfect product to actually use points on because I'm redeeming a product that has a lesser PV amount than it does dollar amount. Meaning when you purchase your products that have equal PV to dollar amount, for every dollar that you're spending, you're earning a good bit of that percent back, because remember, the points that you earn back are based off of the PV spent, not the dollars spent. So from your cart, if you want to go browsing your doTERRA store, simply click the menu in the upper left corner. From there, go to shop and choose the category you desire to shop. Let me show you where you're going to save the most money shopping. Under kits and collections is where you can find basically kits and bundles of essential oils for cheaper than buying them individually. So I highly recommend you check out this. You're going to find those deals under collections and loyalty rewards kits. Another place you're going to save is under the supplements tab. Now all of these tabs have discounted bundles, much like the essential oil bundles you can get, but I'm going to show you what's under the daily vitality tab because it's definitely the biggest bang for your buck if you know how to save this way. So under daily vitality, you'll notice that just the Alpha CRS Plus itself is wholesale $69.50. But if you scroll a little bit further down, you'll notice that they have the Lifelong Vitality Pack, which contains not only Alpha CRS, but also your XE Omega, basically all those fatty oils that you want in your system, and then your Microplex VMZ, that is your food nutrient. So you can get all three for just $10 more. I don't even need to say that this is the way to go. But wait, the savings get even better than that. So when you add this to your cart, you'll have the option to select just add the pack only, or scroll down and add up to 3 more supplements for just $20 each. That's a crazy amount of savings. To add on a product, basically just select the little quantity arrow and put in the amount that you want to add on to your pack. I'm going to scroll through and give you the options of the additional supplements you can add. Your energy supplement, digestive enzyme supplement, sore and achy supplement. Now this one cost almost $60 wholesale, so if you want this one, I highly suggest you get it with your Vitality Pack, so it only costs you $20. This one is your pre and probiotic. Now the cool thing about doTERRA's probiotics is they are double encapsulated, meaning the bacteria does not die in the stomach acid, but makes it to your intestines where they do their best job. My kids love these vitamins, y'all, and you get both for just $25 on this add-on pack. So I highly recommend getting them this way if you have kids. It'll save you a lot of money, and your kids will love taking their vitamins. So if you're done adding your add-on supplements, just hit the purple continue button. From the storefront, you can go back to your cart at any point by clicking the Go to Bag or the bag in the right-hand upper corner. From there, you'll be prompted to review your order. But let me just say something about this Healing Hands donation on the top. So for those of you who don't know, you can donate $1 to Healing Hands. You can donate any amount, but you can have like automatically in your cart $1 to be donated. And this just goes to helping girls and boys, people in need that live in poverty. It supports them with tools to make a better life for themselves, and it educates them. So it truly is changing lives, and it's changing our world. If you would consider making a donation that is a nonprofit, and it goes to helping lots and lots of people. So when you review your cart, you definitely want to double check and make sure everything is in there correctly. Go through this checklist for personal consumption. Make sure that's checkmarked, especially if you're a wellness advocate. If you're a wholesale customer, it's probably not going to be there for you. You need to make sure that your shipping address is the one you want on file. Select your shipping method. Just as a reminder, with the loyalty rewards orders, you get 100% back in points, whatever you spend shipping wise. If it's a one-time order, this does not apply. So this is a loyalty rewards order. So to break it down for you, I select the $3.99 shipping. I will get 4 points back because doTERRA actually rounds up in the points they give you back, and that's equal to $4 in products. You're going to need to put in your payment method and also your email address so they can give you a confirmation on your order. Subtotal is there. PV amount for your order is here. Here's my estimated shipping points earned from this order. And here's where it lists the reward points that I earn off of the products in this order. So I can either process immediately, pay immediately by just proceed to checkout here, or I can just save and process as scheduled for my date as picked. So whatever you pick, you'll see something kind of like this, and doTERRA is really good about sending you an email with notification. Thanks for watching. If you have questions, please feel free to leave a comment or shoot an email my way.